Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a DIY ringtones video. I actually did do before, like maybe 2 or 1 year ago. I did a kind of DIY phone stuff video, and that video was about maybe 30 minutes long. So I thought I might as well break it up into little smaller videos. So that's what this one is going to be, kind of one section of that whole thing, which is going to be the ringtone part. In this video, I actually showed you guys how I made my kind of text tone for my phone. So yeah, and the credits to GMM because that's what I used, the clip that I used. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and I'm going to go and show you guys what I have in store for you. So let go. So this is about maybe my third, fourth, I don't know what time recording this, but the audio was just an issue and stuff. So I hope this one is actually successful, but I decided I would start on my desktop because, you know, my wallpaper is dope. But anyway, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own ringtones pretty much for your phone, because I am creative and I do that kind of stuff. Like if you're one of my good friends, you watch my vlogs and you've heard my phone ring, then you'll know that my ringtone is a man saying Christy, and that man is Link Neal. In case you don't know him, he's the one who is wearing glasses on my screen right now. But anyway, so I will show you how I made that, and you can pretty much use this like technique on whatever you want. Like if you can download the audio, you can pretty much do it for anything. So I'm going to be showing you guys how kind of I made my ringtone pretty much. So I got it from this video from GMM, obviously, because GMM is awesome. So we're just going to watch the time code here and wait until he's like at that point. So I'm just going to play it and then we'll find out what the thing is.
That's what the reminder is.
But it's just a reminder.
Really
I think you're going to get that once. I think you're going to get that once. No, I need you to schedule random reminders across my calendar to text my wife and improve our overall relationship. But never at the same time. Twice.
What is your wife's name? Whoa.
The future. Christy.
Not yet.
I'm sure I understand. Oh, the future.
Christy.
Right there. See how, like, if you know my ringtone, that is what it sounds like. So it's about 11 minutes maybe. So I do have that audio kind of here. It's right here. And I'm gonna be using Audacity, but if you want to use another program, like maybe Adobe Audition, maybe, I think, I'm not sure, but the Adobe program thing, whenever I don't exactly know the name of it, but we're gonna be using Audacity, which is a free program. Ding! Anyway, so I'm going to take this audio and I'm going to put it in Audacity like this. Now for yours, it might not be a blue color like this, but I changed my Windows color, so that's why that's like that, but that doesn't matter. But anyway, so we're going to go down here, and to make it easier on us, we're just going to put the number in on where to put the cursor. We're going to put it at 11 minutes. And we can also zoom in if we need to. So we have right here, see? Right there.
Christy.
Okay, so then how I split things is I hit my S key. Then we're going to delete whatever before it. Then we're going to come over here. And we're going to just clip the audio. I just got to go back like that. So it ends maybe when the audio stops, so we're going to hit S there, and then we're going to just delete that, and now we have this piece of audio.
Christy.
And then you're going to want to save that, and then put it to your phone somehow, which I have an Android, so I'm going to be showing you guys with an Android. Let's roll the clip. Alright, so as I said before, I was on an Android. So this is kind of like the Play Store, but if you have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure they have an app for this, or whatever case may be. but I'm going to be using this ES File Explorer, which I'm kind of a big fan of. So I will do a video about like hacks with this app because I do have a couple that I want to show you guys. So stay tuned for that video. But this is the app I'm going to be using. So if you have an Android, then you should download this app. And if you don't, I don't know what they have for iPhone because I don't have an iPhone, but just kind of bear with me here and all that. So I'm going to be using this app. And yes, I know it needs an update, but we don't need it for this video. So yeah, so we're going to be going to that app like so. And since I already have the file, I just kind of like renamed it and stuff, but you kind of get my point. So if you have, well, if you made it on your computer, you're going to want to put it to your phone somehow via email, USB, whatever it is, and then you're going to go into your file manager app, which in my case it's the ES File Explorer, and you're going to find that file, which is right here. But first, if you haven't before and you have this same app, you're going to want to go on your like internal storage, and you're going to want to make a notification folder, which how you would do that is you would do this, new, and then pick folder, and then you're going to name it notifications or whatever you want it for. If not, you would just put it in your ringtones folder. But yeah, so you're going to go where you have it, which I put mine in my downloads folder. As you can see, it's right there. We're going to hold that down like that. Then in the bottom here, in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see this option called more. You're going to hit that, and then you're going to hit move to. Again, if you're not using this app, then just use the app that you have that can do the same thing. Just kind of do the same thing for that app as I'm doing with this one. We're going to put this in the notification folder right there, and then you're going to hit OK. Then it's all set there. So now, I'm going to go to my settings, and you're going to set it like this. So you hit sound or wherever you go, notification or the tone for it, and then you're going to go in and set it. That's if it's here.
Christy.
Well, I have it called that, but you hit OK, and then it will set that for your ringtone. Or if you want a song for your phone ringtone, then you can do the same thing, or I will then do another video on how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also hit the subscribe button, because when I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be live streaming, whether that would be on YouTube or Instagram, I don't know, but go and do that because that would be awesome. And also for the live stream, if you want to ask me questions, just use the hashtag Tiffany Louann 100 subs on Twitter, and I will then answer those questions in my live stream. So yeah, and that will be announced on another video that is on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I will talk to you guys in another video, and yeah, bye.